And then Rekha ji handed me the award. And you know who was sitting in the first row was the man who I wanted to be growing up. Amitabh Bachchan was sitting there. Filmeं chalti hai, nahi chalti hai, some are liked, some are not liked.
So please tell me your first waking Filmfare moment.
Bole to?
Your first Filmfare award moment. Like
Filmfare award moment.
Yeah. Before your debut. On TV and
I think my most memorable moment, Filmfare moment, there are a couple. When I first saw my first cover, I mean, that was huge for me because Filmfare has a legacy, Filmfare has a history. Filmfare, like ma'am very rightly said, is the gold standard. And so, you know, it's a dream to be on the cover of Filmfare. It's been graced by, I mean, titans of show business. And, you know, to be there. And I remember so clearly we shot, you know, at Le Meridian with Abhay Singh. And I was just like, I was like, damn excited. And when the cover came out, you know, to read that tagline, which I remember ever so vividly, it was a trip. It was a trip. I could hardly believe it. It was like a dream come true. You remember it? I can't say it myself. Singh is king. So, Ranveer Singh takes the industry by storm. Byline, boom, man, that's a dream come true. I mean, first film received so much love. I made it to the cover. I won the debut award. And then I won. And then this, which brings me to my other most memorable moment, was winning Best Actor for Bajirao Mastani, for Peshwa Bajirao. I mean, that was just a magical night. Deepika, my wife, had won the same night for Piku. So to win with her in the same year was very, very special for me. Special for our whole family, who was seated there. My mom, my sister, my dad, her folks, her sister, they were all present. It was unforgettable. And then Rekha ji handed me the award. And you know who was sitting in the first row was the man who I wanted to be growing up. Amitabh Bachchan was sitting there while I received Best Actor. I mean, I could not ask for more. It was just an absolutely unforgettable moment. And yeah, it's etched in my mind and in my heart forever and ever. And yeah, it's always exciting to collaborate with Filmfare because of this cinephile. I got a lot of love and appreciation for Jitesh because here is a man who truly loves cinema, you know, and that someone like me appreciates to a vast degree. So Jitesh, let me say it publicly. I appreciate you. I appreciate you and your love for cinema, your passion for cinema.
Okay, moving on. One more question. Please tell me what kind of manic energy, what are you on when you do your fantastic performances like the Bappida tribute you paid last year?
I don't know what it is about performing live. It's electric. You know, the audience is right there and you're performing for them. You know, you're putting up a show, putting up a spectacle. And if in your heart, I believe my calling is to be an entertainer, to be a showman. And there's nothing more palpable than the energy of a live performance because your audience is right there. And if you want to evoke a reaction out of them or an emotion in them, it's there. The energy is it's in that space, you know. So live is another trip altogether. I don't know what happens to me. I really, once I'm on stage and there's an audience, it's like I go into some kind of trance. And you're never more in the moment than during a live performance. So that's what I love about it.
It's probably an unfair question to ask you, but which is your favorite performance of yours?
Of mine?
You have to pick up.
I don't know. Audience, my baap audience ki rai lete hain. Aap batao. What is my best performance? Madam, any preferences? None. She doesn't like me as an actor. I'm sorry? I like you in Gully Boy. Nice. Thank you, ma'am. Multiplex audience, sir.
I second that, huh? I second that.
Really? Yeah. Khilji. Khilji. My wife also loves Khilji. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, all, even, yaar, for me, all my performances are special, right? Because filmein chalti hai, nahi chalti hai, some are liked, some are not liked, some are loved, some are hated. But you as a performer do your best and you do it with all honesty and 100%. So if you ask me, my performance in Kill Dil is also special to me. So yeah, it's just, I could not choose between any performance. I'm just happy to have an opportunity to be a performer. I mean, grew up wanting to be an actor, Hindi film hero, and here I am, sitting on the dais with Jitesh Pillai, headlining the Filmfare Awards. Kya time hai, apna time aayega. So yeah, it's gonna be, I think it's gonna be a good show.
Subscribe to Biscuit TV and press the bell icon on your YouTube app and never miss another Bollywood update from Biscuit TV.